Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be playing with some new makeup. The star of the show is going to be the Creme Shop Cocoa Crunch palette from Miniso, and then we have a couple items from Ioni and the Dollar Tree, so a lot of dollar products. So definitely stick around if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on everything. Of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. Alright, so as you can see, I cut my hair. It is short. Yeah, it's just been so hot here, so I was like, I need to do something because my hair was way too long. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna take this new product from Miniso. I just did a home Miniso birthday haul. I think this video is gonna come out first, so that video should be coming soon. But I did pick this for one of my options for my birthday gift, and this was the Creme Shop Hello Kitty Kawaii Kiss Lip Oil. And this one here is peach scented. There's a look at that lip oil. It looks so cute. It smells so good. This is a really nice product. I'm really surprised. Okay, girl. It feels good. It tastes good. It smells good. It's really good. Okay. So next I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows with the LA Colors Brow Pencil in the shade Black. And then I'm going to clean my brows up using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer as usual. Alright, next we're going to go into eyeshadow. For today's eyeshadow palette, we have the Creme Shop Cocoa Crunch 9 shade eyeshadow palette from Miniso as well. Super cute. It's definitely more on the neutral side with a pop of color. There's a look at the packaging without the box. How beautiful is this? I love that you can see these shades through the front cover, and it has a cute little character. And then there's a look at these shades. As you can see, very neutral. We have a pop of lime right there. I just stabbed the shade with my nail, of course. But this is such a beautiful color story. So I'm going to go ahead and create something very neutral, something wearable every day, nothing too crazy. I don't think we're going to use a pop of color today, but we're definitely going to stick with more of these shades down here. I'm going to take the shade Cocoa Crunch, which is the middle shade. So I'm just going to start throwing that on the lid. Oh my gosh, a little bit definitely goes a long way. When it gets a little too wild too quickly, I like to go in with one of like the lighter shades. In this case, I'm taking the shade Sugar Baby, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges a bit, just kind of tone it down with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take the shade No Joke, and I think this is like a chocolate brown. Oh yeah. Throw a little bit on the outer corner here. Then I'm going to take the shade Hyper Mode, which is a beautiful like bronzy moment. Now this is definitely going to take the look into a more smokier quadrant, but ooh, this is such a beautiful color story in this palette, and every shade that I've used has really impressed me. They're like really blendable, and it's just like a quick and easy 1-2 kind of look. Again, taking a little bit of that smoky color on this outer corner. Right, next I'm going to go ahead and take the City Color Be Bold color liner in black. And I love the colored ones in these, like the more vibrant neon kind of shades. But I haven't been able to use the black one, so I'm going to go ahead and use it today. It does have this type of applicator. It's really nice. It is like a brush kind of applicator. Alright, so there is the wing liner using the City Color Be Bold color liner in black. To be honest, I prefer a felt tip liner just because it's a little easier for me and the way that I do my wings. But you know, I like how it came out, so that was really nice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this find from the Dollar Tree, and this is a Wet n Wild glitter eyeliner. It doesn't have a specific name, but it's like this beautiful golden kind of moment. So cute. Comes with a brush tip applicator. I'm just going to draw a line over top. Alright, so there's a look at the Wet n Wild glitter eyeliner. I'm going to give it some time to dry because it feels like it's a little wet still, but it looks cute. Not as punchy as I thought it was going to be, but it looks cute over top and alongside that like brown shadow. For mascara, I'm going to go ahead and take the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, and I have owned this for a while. I just haven't opened it. This is one of my favorite mascaras, so finally I'm going to get to use it again. So there is a look at the wand. It is such a good formula, especially when you give it time to like kind of dry up a little bit, it gets better and better over time. For lashes today, I'm going to go ahead and throw on the Ioni 3D Faux Mink Lashes in crisscross round medium. I've actually never used these. And look at how cute the packaging is. This was part of their Sweets collection. This style in particular in this collection is called Bubblegum Stripes. Just look at that style. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these on, and then we'll be back to finish complexion. Right, so there is a look at those lashes. They look so nice. So now we're going to go ahead and get into the primers. So I do have two of my Shop My Stash primers today. The A+ No Pore Face Primer from Shop My Stash is almost out of my collection. And then we have the SHEGLAM Birthday Skin Primer, which is also actually really nice. I've really been enjoying this product as well. So I'm going to go ahead and throw both of those on. Like I said, this one's almost out. So there's like barely any in there, but go ahead and squish out whatever is left and blend that in. I have been so tempted to do a full face of Shop My Stash again. Let me know if you want to watch that down below. I have so many new products, and I have another order coming in that I really need to start using everything. So full face of Shop My Stash is definitely coming soon. Next, I'm going to take some of the SHEGLAM one. I always tend to go too much into this product, but I'm going to take it all over the face. All right, now that everything is blended in, I'm going to go ahead and take my e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I actually haven't used this in a long time. I don't know why, but this is also a favorite in my collection, and this one here is in medium 330W. I think the shade matches me really well. So I'm going to take 2 pumps, should be enough, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in. So I'm going to go ahead and take my cream products. Today I have the Indeed nanobronze bronzing drops. I like to throw a little bit on my finger, and then I just go around the face and kind of tap it on. I am going to be doing a project pan update today, so that's why I don't have my project pan makeup in here. I cannot wait to show you guys my progress on everything. Yeah, this is so pretty, and it blends in so easily as well. I'm going to go ahead and take some of the LA Colors Cream Gel Blush in the shade Hypnotized. One of my favorite blushes, especially for these everyday looks. So I'm going to take 3 dots on the face and blend that in. Again, this is very peachy, very everyday. I may have overdone it today with the cream blush, but it's so beautiful and it blends in so easily. I'm also going to take a little bit of the Glow Baby from Mayway Studio, and this one here is in Golden Rose. I'm going to take 2 dots on the face, on the cheekbones, and then with my brush just kind of tap it out. It's just like the most perfect rose gold liquid highlight. Today we have 2 concealers to play with. We have the LA Colors Conceal Correct in the shade Peach. You guys know how much I love this product, so I'm going to take just a little bit of that. Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer that I used to clean up my brows on the under eyes as well. We're just going to keep it on the under eyes today. I'm not going to take it all over the face, and we're just going to go ahead and blend that out. So I went ahead and powdered. I bronzed the skin as well. I also went ahead and filled in the brows a little more. So next, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. First off, taking this eyeliner from LA Colors, the Dual Eye Pencil in Smoky. And it also does come with a sharpener. This little set came from Shop My Stash, and I believe it was only like $1. And it is a double-ended liner. Oh, one side says eyeliner and the other says eyeshadow. So that's very interesting. I'm going to go ahead and take the eyeliner side. Oh wow, this is very pigmented. I'm gonna go back to the little palette that we used earlier, and I'm gonna take the deepest shade No Joke, and I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line. I'm also gonna go ahead and take this LA Colors liner. This is their gel eyeliner in the shade Celebrate. They actually sent this my way a couple months ago, so I'm finally gonna use it, and we're gonna go ahead and throw it in like the inner portion of the eyes. There's a look at that liner. It looks, ooh, so pretty. So I'm gonna throw it here to brighten up the eyes a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take some blush. This is the Ioni Virgo blush in the shade Baby Rose. How stunning is this packaging? And this was from the Dollar Tree. So pretty. It is part of their Zodiac collection. Take some of that. Ooh. So nice, super pigmented. I've actually done a Ioni Cosmetics top 5 bottom 5, and I talked about their blushes, and they're definitely on the top because they're just so beautiful, so pigmented, so blendable. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take some highlight. This is the Papa Glow Within Illuminating Powder from Shamasay. This one here is in the shade Do No Harm, but not D-O, it's D-E-W. Interesting. And that's a look at that highlight. How stunning is that color? So I'm going to take some on the inner corner as well as on the face. Oh, I love that pop of shine in the inner corner when the eyes are so smoky, like today. Taking the AOA Studio F19 brush, the perfect highlight brush, and I'm going to take some on the cheekbones. I'm also going to take some on the tip of the nose and a little bit on the Cupid's bow as well. All right, next we're going to move on to lips. So we do have a couple of new items, a couple of favorites. This is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Petal Please. Such a perfect everyday kind of lip liner. So I'm going to go ahead and line the lips with this. I did just sharpen it as well. Next, I have a liquid lipstick from City Color. This one here is in Mocha. I've actually never used this, so let's see how. Ooh, this is really nice. It is just a little sheer, but it matches really well with that lip liner from ColourPop. It's already drying down. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this gloss from Shop Missy, and this is the She Makeup Crystal Lip Gloss in the shade, not sure, it just says 1105, and it's like a shimmery kind of gloss. So this one's also another one I haven't used. Ooh. There's a bunch of like little glitters. All right, so that's what we have so far. Last step is setting spray. I'm going to use the LA Colors It Must Last setting spray. It's really nice. I really like the smell. I like how it feels on the skin. So we're going to go ahead and throw some of this on, and we're going to end it. All right, guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I actually like how everything looks today. Let's just go over all the new products that I used. Starting off with the liners. First off, the City Color Be Bold Color Liner. I like it. I think it's cute. Am I going to use it again? Maybe for another like City Color video, but like on its own, it just isn't my favorite way to apply eyeliner. I'd much rather a felt tip, as I mentioned earlier. Next, we have the LA Colors Dual Eyeliner and Eyeshadow Stick, which is really interesting. The eyeliner was really pigmented, so this is definitely something I'm gonna use again. The Wet n Wild's Glitter Eyeliner I thought was cute. You know, it's like a nice everyday kind of glitter moment. Next, we have the highlight. I'm actually really impressed. It looks really amazing on the skin. I thought it was going to be a little too dark because in the pan it just looks, you know, a little too deep for me, but it actually went on the face really nicely. So these, I can't complain about the formula. They're amazing. The color selection's interesting, but yeah, it's nice. I like it. The blush, the Virgo blush, I have to put like a little tape on it just so it would stay closed. You know, because these come open in the packaging, so it's a little hard to keep it closed. Baby Rose blush from Ioni is amazing. It looks stunning on the face. I love it. These are so pigmented, so blendable. I definitely recommend them. I haven't tried Ioni Cosmetics, definitely recommend. Next, we have the eyeshadow palette of the day. This is so stunning. It's definitely something that I'm gonna use again. I love the packaging, how it looks. I also love the color story, and I love how everything blended in. So I'm definitely gonna keep reaching for this. It's like perfect for like work and stuff as well. So this is definitely something that surprised me. I already knew that I love the packaging, but I didn't know how the formula was gonna be, but it's actually really cute. That's really great. And then we have the Ioni lashes that I'm wearing. They're amazing. Definitely love. Next, we have the Creme Shop lip oil, the kawaii lip oil in peach. Amazing. I'm definitely going to keep reaching for this. It felt nice, it smelled nice, so good. Next, we have the liquid matte lipstick from City Color. I thought this was cute. Not sure how it wears on its own, but with the gloss over top, it looks amazing. The eyeliner from LA Colors. I already know I love these, the gel liners. I did just film a top 5 bottom 5 LA Colors version, so that's going to be coming soon. Then we have the gloss. I think it looks amazing. I love it. So 10 out of 10 for that. And that's actually the last product. We made it to the end. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about on the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.